Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can send snap from your camera roll as a normal snap. Now if you guys tried to send a picture from your camera and you want to send it in a normal way, then I will teach you. Now most people do this. You can see this little photo icon at the left corner in the bottom. You click on it and then you can choose any photo from your gallery and just click on send to. If you do this, this is the wrong way. If you do that, then it's going to be sent in a wrong way. It's not going to be sent as a snap. It's going to be sent as a photo you're trying to share from your gallery. Now there's a method through which you guys can send snap from your camera as a normal snap. What you want to do is, after you open your camera, you can see the search icon at the bottom right. As you guys can see, click on the search icon. It's going to take you to the filter searching place. And in the filter searching place at the top, you can see where it says search. Click on it and search for green screen. After you search for green screen, you can click the third one where it says green screen. Click on it and a green screen will appear. Once a green screen appears, as you guys can see at the bottom, all of your photo from your gallery is going to be shown over here. Now you can choose whichever photo you want. So I'm going to choose a random photo, this photo, which I want to be sent on the snap. Now this green screen automatically tracks your body part. So make sure none of your body part in this, and it's going to look like a normal photo. Now you can click on a little picture icon at the bottom and it's going to take a picture like this. And click on send to, and now you can send it to anybody you want and click on this little arrow button at the bottom right. Now this picture is going to be sent as a real snap, okay? So that's how you guys can send snaps from your camera roll as a normal snap. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.